Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a what's in my work bag video. My work bag is pretty big. It's pink, which is my favorite color. So I feel like when you look good, you do good, and I'm walking into my new chapter and my new job with a cute pink bag. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside this big bag, stay tuned. Before we get into anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name, so you can keep up with all my content on YouTube, off of YouTube, on all social media platforms. And without further ado, let's get into the video right now. Okay, so my bag is from Hobby Lobby. I do think it's like a dupe of the Bog bag, but this is what it looks like. It's really, really big. I have bag charms on it. It has pink straps. This is the back. So let me show you guys. This bag is heavy. Let me show you guys my charms. So this charm here is a Bratz charm. It's the baby Bratz. I made it. I do have a video on how I make Bratz charms, so go watch that video. So I have that, and then I also have a hand sanitizer. I don't know if you guys see, I have a hand sanitizer. And then I also have this. It's a Hello Kitty. It's from the beauty supply store. And then I have this bag charm here from Five Below. And the other bag charm, I got this from a thrift store. I don't know what it is, but this is what it looks like. But I got it from a thrift store. So like the colors are like pink and baby blues, which is what I tried to stick with on my bag. I usually have this clipped onto my bag as well, which is my badge reel. This is from Walmart, and then this pink part is from Amazon. And you just have, it has like a little clip on the back. And typically I would just have it clipped onto my bag right there, so that my ID, when I get my ID, I can put it in there. So now let's get into the inside of this bag. It is super duper heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna pull stuff out and I'm gonna show you guys. So first things first, I have my phone. Cute little Hello Kitty case, but I have my phone. Next thing I have is my AirPods. So I have these. They're just some AirPods with the Hubba Bubba case from Amazon. So I have some AirPods. The next thing I have is an umbrella. It rains nearly every day. Every other day it's either hot, raining. You just don't know what it is. It's muggy outside. It's a storm, a flash flood. So you got to keep an umbrella on you at all times, because you just never know what the weather is going to give. So you got to stay ready so you don't have to get ready. The next thing I have is a brush. It's a paddle brush. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It's like $11, but it's this rhinestone paddle brush. Really, really cute. And I keep it in the packaging so I could keep the rhinestones intact. The next item I have is a charger. Both pieces are from Five Below. It's this pink rhinestone charger. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's this pink rhinestone charger with the Hello Kitty block. It's really, really cute. So I have that. I love everything girly. I just feel like when my stuff is girly, it just, I don't know, it just makes me happy. So I try to have my stuff as cute as I possibly can, because it just makes me happy. The next thing I have is some gum. I have this extra sweet watermelon gum. So good. I always get these packs, but I like gum just in case like I want to taste in my mouth or something. Whoa, that sounded a little crazy. If I can't get to like food at the time, something to hold me over. Gum usually holds me over pretty well. I know that sounds crazy, but gum. The next item I have in my purse is Now and Always Citrus Blossom perfume. I get it from my beauty supply store. It looks like this in a box. Perfume is really small, but this is what it looks like. Smells really good too. So you want to make sure you smell good. I do not play about hygiene, and it's summertime, so you gotta make sure you lotioning, deodorant, make sure you washing from head to toe. Perfume, make sure you smell good all day. It's nothing like getting a compliment that, oh my god, you smell so good, because like I always say, once you get them funky allegations, it's a wrap. You ain't never gonna be able to lay that down. So the next thing I have in my purse is, well, next thing I have in my work bag is this butter. And I know you're probably like, a butter, Daisy? Yes, I have a butter. So I got a butter squishy in my bag because I saw it at a store and I was like, oh my god, this is so therapeutic. Just in case like I'm overwhelmed, and also to keep me off my phone. And something I like to do is squeeze my butter while I'm reading. So that brings me to the next items I have in my purse, which are books. So I know at work, like, they don't be wanting you to be on your phone. This is my first real job, so I don't want to get into any real trouble or anything. So I have 2 books to read. I have Freida McFadden, Want to Know a Secret, this one. So I have this book, and then I also have this book. It's called Brooklyn by Tracy Brown. I love her as an author. My mom bought me a book for Christmas and it was like, fell in love with her. So shout out to my mom because she put me onto her. But yes, I have this book, Brooklyn, and then this one, Want to Know a Secret. So yeah, next item I have in my bag is a fan. This is a red Turbo Beauty fan. I got this from the beauty supply store. It is just a pink fan. Some days it is hot outside and it's super duper hot. When it gets hot, like we had heat advisories, then after it rains it's really muggy, so I just want to always have a fan on me at all times just in case the AC ain't ACing. Got to keep your own fan. The next two things that I have in my bag are workbooks. Well, this is a coloring book. It's the Barbie official coloring book, so I got this coloring book, and then I also got this Ocean Puzzles workbook. I did get them both out of BJ's. Like I said, I do want to stay off my phone because I don't want to get in any trouble and I don't want to hear, oh, she's on the phone. I also want to manage my screen time and I do not want to be so glued to my phone, so I try to do activities that keep me off my phone. So I definitely have some workbooks, so if I have a break or if there's any downtime at work, I have something to keep me occupied other than my phone. Also, the bag comes with a pouch. You guys see how this is connected to the bag? It comes with a pouch. So let me show you guys what's inside of the pouch. So inside of the pouch, I have some Uno cards. I have so many packs of Uno cards. So I have Uno, and yes, I will play Uno by myself. I don't care. It's me versus me. And then I have some Crayola crayons, so for my coloring book. And then I also have two mechanical pencils and a red and a blue pen, so if I ever had to fill out any documents, I have my pens. That is all that's inside of this pouch that comes with the bag. And speaking of writing materials, I have two other writing materials in here as well. So I have this jumbo pencil. I literally cleaned out my room, and you know when you clean out your room you find all type of miscellaneous trinkets. So I found this pencil, and it's a jumbo My Little Pony pencil, and it comes with the sharpener attached to it as well. So I have this My Little Pony pencil, and it actually works. I tested it out. I'm like, oh, it actually works. So yeah, I have this jumbo pencil in here. The next item I have is also a writing utensil as well. It is this pen. It's this Barbie pen. I got it off Amazon. It's a plush pen. It's a limited edition, but it looks like this. It's this Barbie plush pen. It's really, really cute. It's super plushy, and then you click the top. And then I don't know if you guys can see, it goes the pen. So yeah, you can write with this pretty pink plush pen, and it's Barbie, so it's cute and it's pink and it's so soft. So yeah, I got it off Amazon. Yeah, I keep that in my bag as well. The next thing that I have in my work bag is my emergency kit. If you guys want to see what's inside of here, go watch my videos. I have like 2 videos of what's in my emergency kit, and I have so many makeup bags, and I turn them all into emergency kits, and I just put them all in my bag, so no matter what bag I grab, I have an emergency kit in here. But it has the same thing. It has perfume, nail glue, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, pads, toothbrush, toothpaste, Q-tips, bathroom spray, deodorant, band-aids, scrunchies, lotion, soap. So it has all the basics in there. But yeah, so go watch the video if you want an in-depth video of what's in my emergency kit. Go watch those videos on my channel. I have at least 2, maybe 3, but yeah, go watch that. This bag is from Bath & Body Works. The next bag slash pouch that I have in my work bag is from Target. It's this pretty like pink color. They have new colorways, but these are like the zipper pouches, the zip up hard pencil case. This is the perfect time to get them because it's back to school time. But this is just my hair kit. I am a natural hair girly. You guys can probably see my edges curling up right now. I'm a natural hair girly, so it's nothing worse than when your hair starts puffing up and you do not have the necessary products on you. So I specifically made a hair pouch. Like I said, this is from Target, but the products inside are from like the beauty supply store. Everything in here is from the beauty supply store. So I have a spray bottle here, a travel spray bottle. You can always just put water in it, dump the water out when you're done, and then refill it, obviously. I don't know if you guys can see, this is like a foam. This is Lotta Body hair foam or hair mousse. I have a brush, I have a rat tail comb, and then I have a portable jar of Eco Gel. Like I said, you get the container from the beauty supply store, and then I just put Eco Gel in it. So yeah, and then I also have scrunchies. I don't know if you guys can see at the bottom, but I have some black scrunchies at the bottom. So yeah, I want to make sure that my hair stays as nice as it possibly can, because one thing about me with curly hair, I don't know if you guys can see, it's puffing up here. My hair will start puffing up, and then it will just look like I rolled out of bed and I didn't do anything to my hair. So one thing about it is I want to make sure that I'm able to touch up my hair throughout the day so I can look as presentable as possible, especially right now while it is summertime and my hair puffs up at any sign of moisture, any sign of humidity. So yeah. The last item that is in my work bag is a mirror. This is from the Impressions collection. You know, as you can see, you can charge it back here as well. Here's the charger that comes with it. But it's this Snoopy. You guys see the Snoopy details? The details are so cute. But it is this Snoopy face mirror. So cute. And then you just open it. You take it, you just open it, and it looks like this. And this side is magnified and this side is regular. And then you press the little button and you can turn it on and change the settings. So yeah, that is my mirror. My hair is curling up right here. Let me go on my hair kit. This little curly piece on the side. You see how that piece lay down and it's not as puffy as it was before? See, that's exactly why. So that's exactly what this is used for. But yeah, that's my mirror, and now I can use my mirror and I could check that, oh, okay, I laid the piece down a little bit. It's not perfect, but it's better than what I was working with prior, you know? A little better than what I was working with. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why I have all of these things in my work bag so that I'm prepared. Yes, this is what's inside my work bag. It is heavy, but I don't like to ask people for stuff, so I want to stay ready so I don't have to get ready and I can be prepared at all times. So yes, that's all that I have in my work bag. It is heavy, so I do not think I will be adding anything else in this bag after this. So yeah, that's what's inside of my work bag. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. Comment down below your favorite item. Comment down below what you keep in your work bag and start a conversation with me. I would love to talk to you guys. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for supporting. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with the flower name so you can keep up with me on all platforms. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.